Vyas, Flight Cadet Shivam Sharma, and Flight Cadet Rana Virkeshwar Singh Sisodia.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we draw your kind attention towards your right to witness the solemn movements of the Nishan Uncasing Drill, wherein the President's colors of the Academy is being honored and prepared by the Nishan Toli to be paraded today. The President's colors, referred to as Nishan in Hindi, are paraded on ceremonial occasions. Ladies and gentlemen, you're all requested to rise and salute when the President's colors are marched onto the parade ground, and thereafter, whenever the Nishan Toli or the color bearer march past the dais. The Nishan Toli comprises 4 escorts, a color bearer and a color warrant officer who are specially selected for the occasion. Today, the Nishan Toli is being led by Flight Cadet Punrikaksh Joshi. Also bearing the Nishan are Flight Cadet Avnish Thapa, Flight Cadet Shashinder Kumar Singh, Flight Cadet Ashish Kumar, Flight Cadet Vishal Kumar Kots, and Flight Cadet Pranav Sharma.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is about to commence, and in a short while, sounding of the bugle will herald beginning of the combined graduation parade December 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is now marching in, keeping in step with the famous tune of Nidar Yodha. The marching contingents, arms swinging, heels digging in, heads held high, proud of their blue Air Force uniform, heritage and motto, touch the sky with glory. Whether in the sky or on ground, the air warriors approach their task with confidence, dedication and pride. Their faces and eyes are shining with determination to become worthy officers today as they put their best foot forward.
Again, brigade! They are back! 3 करोड़ नंबर 2 और नंबर 4 करोड़
Now, the parade adjutant, Flight Cadet Robin Dwivedi, will hand over the command of the parade to the parade commander, Flight Cadet Ashish Khatri. Parade holds great significance for the armed forces. It reinforces discipline and instills a sense of pride and esprit de corps. It is a way of life for the personnel in the armed forces and depicts the level of preparedness and precision of an air warrior. The word parade comes from the old tradition of formation combat, in which soldiers were held in strict formations to maximize their combat effectiveness. Gentlemen, if the Nishan Toli is passing in front of you, all are requested to remain standing and those in uniform to salute.
अब परेड हमारे समक्ष उपस्थित है। जैसे ही वायु सेना अकादमी के कमांडेंट, वायु अफसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ प्रशिक्षण कमान, चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ एवं पुनरीक्षण अधिकारी परेड पर पहुंचेंगे, परेड इन सभी का सशस्त्र अभिवादन करेगी। आज परेड में नंबर 3 वायुसेना बैंड उपस्थित है, जिसका नेतृत्व JWO रॉबर्ट जॉन जॉर्ज LMME कर रहे हैं। यह बैंड आज चुनिंदा फौजी धुनें बजाएगा, जो कि खास तौर पर इस समारोह के लिए चुनी गई हैं। शुरुआत में आप निडर योद्धा की धुन सुनेंगे। इसके अलावा एयरफोर्स कलर्स, कर्नल बोगी, CPO, तिरंगा सेनानी, इवनिंग स्टार, विक्टर मार्च, एयर बैटल, स्काई वॉर और सारे जहां से अच्छा को भी आप सुन सकेंगे। बाद में नव कमीशन प्राप्त अधिकारी धीरे चल में ऑल लैंग साइन की धुन पर मंच से गुजरेंगे, जो सैनिकों की जानी पहचानी धुन है।
The parade contingent before you, geared up for today's combined graduation parade, has been trained under the guidance of Wing Commander Kunal Khanna, Senior Instructor Outdoor Training, Squadron Leader M. Rajwar, and Master Warrant Officer Kamaljeet Singh, Warrant Officer in Charge Outdoor Training, along with their able team of ground training instructors. Ladies and gentlemen, this solemn occasion is thus a culmination of efforts of the trainees on parade and their instructors behind the scene. Today's graduation parade comprises 4 squadrons of the passing out course.
The Nishan Toli is in the center of the parade square. The squadron to your extreme left is number 1 squadron led by Flight Cadet Harsh Singh Tomar. Next to number 1 squadron is number 2 squadron led by Flight Cadet Yash Shirsagar. The squadron next in line after the Nishan Toli is number 3 squadron led by Flight Cadet Damini Dilip Deshmukh. The squadron to your extreme right is number 4 squadron led by Flight Cadet Prateek Agrahari. अब हम इस परेड पर वितरित किए जाने वाले पुरस्कारों के बारे में बता दें, ताकि आप इनके महत्व से अवगत हो जाएं। विशेषकर वे माननीय अतिथिगण जिनके सुपुत्र, सुपुत्री अथवा संबंधी आज इन पुरस्कारों को प्राप्त करेंगे। प्रेसिडेंट प्लाक, यह पुरस्कार पायलट कोर्स एवं ग्राउंड ड्यूटी कोर्स में प्रथम आने वाले प्रशिक्षणार्थी को प्रदान किया जाता है। वायुसेना अध्यक्ष द्वारा स्वॉर्ड ऑफ ऑनर, यह पायलट कोर्स में समग्र प्रथम आने वाले प्रशिक्षणार्थी को प्रदान की जाती है।
The training at the Air Force Academy is headed by Air Vice Marshal D.K. Avasthi, Vishish Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant, Air Force Academy. Air Commodore L.K. Chawla, Vayu Sena Medal, Vishish Seva Medal, Chief Instructor Flying, heads the flying training, and Air Commodore B.S. Hora, Chief Instructor Ground, heads the ground training.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, एयर मार्शल IP विपिन, वायुसेना मेडल, कमांडेंट, वायुसेना अकादमी का आगमन हो रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Marshal IP Vipin, Vayu Sena Medal, Commandant, Air Force Academy, has arrived. He is being received by Air Vice Marshal D.K. Avasthi, Vishish Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant, Air Force Academy. The Indian Air Force is in a phase of comprehensive force modernization to enable it to safeguard Indian interests. Towards self-reliance efforts and Make in India, the Indian Air Force is inducting an increasing number of indigenously designed, developed and manufactured Akash surface-to-air guided missile systems. Indigenously designed and developed surface-to-surface and air-launched versions of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile and Astra beyond visual range air-to-air missile, new generation anti-radiation missile and other smart air-to-surface precision munitions are at advanced stages of development and flight testing. Numerous Indian companies and micro, small and medium enterprises are partners in manufacturing of these weapons.
Traditionally, in many countries, the radar sensors of the armed forces and those used by civil aviation are in different verticals. The Indian Air Force has embarked on a project which is well on its way, where all sensors have been fused to give a comprehensive pan-India air defense picture, and this has been achieved through the indigenous route. Every airborne aircraft that emits a radar reflection on any sensor is painted to give a networked comprehensive picture, whether the source is an AAI radar or a man-portable radar deployed at the border post. This is an unspoken success story, given that our sensors have been sourced from several countries of European, Asian, American, and indigenous origin. It is crucial that we own our source codes in the country to enhance our security, and we have achieved great strides in this area.
We are also inducting several types of radars indigenously designed and developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization and manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited, which include Indra, Rohini, Ashlesha, Arudra, Ashwini, Rajendra and Mountain radars. AFNET, which provides the ground network for the Indian Air Force. Integrated Air Command and Control System, which provides the air picture of the entire Indian airspace. Electronics Maintenance Management System, which monitors and manages maintenance activities of all aircraft fleets of the Indian Air Force. Integrated Material Management Online System, which ensures the large supply chain to support the Indian Air Force, have all been conceptualized by the Indian Air Force and are being developed by the Indian industry. Several indigenous electronic warfare equipments have been installed on our aircrafts and helicopters. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now view cadets of the junior course forming up in two flanks in front of you. The newly commissioned officers are taking their positions at the rear, waiting to step into their new world. The newly commissioned officers will pass through this formation in slow march, recollecting their memorable stay at this academy. Each step signifies their transformation into bold and responsible officers of the Indian Air Force, ready to serve the nation.
As the newly commissioned officers receive the first salute from their juniors, their hearts are filled with immense pride and satisfaction for having passed down to them the cherished values and traditions. As they slowly march down this lane, they also remember those people associated with them in their year-long training who have helped them to make it to this day. An indelible moment for them and their families.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the first rank of newly commissioned officers approach the dais, may I direct your attention to the 3 Kiran aircraft formation led by Wing Commander Akhilesh Singh, approaching from straight ahead.
इस क्षण मुझे हिंदी के एक प्रतिष्ठित कवि सोहन लाल द्विवेदी द्वारा रचित कुछ पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं। न हाथ एक शस्त्र हो, न हाथ एक अस्त्र हो, न अन्न वीर वस्त्र हो, हटो नहीं, डरो नहीं, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो। रहे समक्ष हिम शिखर, तुम्हारा प्रण उठे निखर, भले ही जाए तन बिखर, रुको नहीं, झुको नहीं, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो। चलो नई मिसाल हो, जलो नई मशाल हो, बढ़ो नया कमाल हो, झुको नहीं, रुको नहीं, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो। ये पंक्तियां संदेश हैं इन नवोदित अधिकारियों को। आज की ये शहर इन पंछियों की नई उड़ान बनकर आई है। भारत माता के ये वीर सपूत अपने लक्ष्य की ओर निकल पड़े हैं और ये कहते हैं, जिंदगी की उड़ान अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी हैं। अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमी हमने, अभी तो सारा आसमां बाकी है, अभी तो सारा आसमां बाकी है।
Ladies and gentlemen, may I direct your attention to the 3 Hawk aircraft formation approaching from straight ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't go anywhere, as in a short while we will be presenting in front of you a scintillating aerobatic display on the Pilatus PC-7.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now introduce to you the Pilatus PC-7 Mark II aircraft. Look ahead as the aircraft is carrying out what we call a steep takeoff at 100 knots and a 20-degree angle of climb. The Pilatus PC-7 Mark II trainer is a low-wing tandem seat training aircraft manufactured by Pilatus of Switzerland. The aircraft is capable of all basic training functions, including aerobatic, instrument, tactical, and night flying. Approximately 25 air forces around the world use variants of the aircraft for their ab initio training. The PC-7 Mark II was inducted into the Indian Air Force in 2013 to train ab initios at Air Force Academy, Hyderabad. This is a single-engine turboprop aircraft with a full-glass cockpit. Today's display is being carried out by squadron leader Shashikant Bhutani and squadron leader Berwal, both experienced qualified flying instructors on the aircraft. Now as he comes towards us, he will pitch up and describe a vertical circle in the sky. This maneuver, ladies and gentlemen, is known as the loop. The aircraft now recovers close to 215 knots and just 300 feet above the ground, positioning nicely for a flyby. The pilot is now turning at max rate towards us and accelerating to 220 knots for the next maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, there he pulls up for the roll of the top. Nicely done. He now repositions himself for a hard turn. Look ahead and see him executing a hard turn of 360 degrees with a gravitational force of up to 4G. Hard to do on a driving test, much harder while flying with no margin for error. Qualified flying instructors constantly train ab initio cadets to gain confidence in handling the aircraft and carry out complex maneuver by the time they pass out of the academy. As he repositions, I would like to tell you that after the induction of the PC-7 Mark II, more than 1,500 cadets have passed out from the portals of this famous academy. Ladies and gentlemen, now shift your gaze to the extreme right. You can see the aircraft coming in straight to carry out a knife edge. As the name suggests, the aircraft will cut through the air like a knife. This is done by holding 90-degree angle of bank and application of rudder to hold the nose on the horizon. As she repositions, I would like to tell you that the PC-7 aircraft is a highly capable platform, and ab initios gain proficiency in handling the aircraft and systems on board, which help them to transition to advanced platform. Ladies and gentlemen, now as he comes in from your left, let's see what he does next. And the aircraft is flying inverted. Like they say, us pilots have a very different perspective of the world. You look up at them and they look up at you. All
12 o'clock की ओर बनाए रखें और कुछ ही देर में मैं पहुंचाऊंगी आप तक लीडर का संदेश। ऐसा लग रहा है कि मानिए सच में आपकी तालियों की आवाज हमारे पायलट्स तक पहुंच चुकी है, क्योंकि आपसे कुछ ही क्षणों में आपके सामने होंगे हमारे सिंक्रो पेयर डस्टी और एनजे। आज कोविड के कारण उत्पन्न हुई परिस्थितियों की वजह से 206 कोर्स के नव कमीशन प्राप्त अधिकारियों के माता पिता इस खास दिन का हिस्सा नहीं बन रहे हैं, तो हमारा अगला मनूवर हम समर्पित करते हैं 206 कोर्स के अधिकारियों के माता पिता व परिजनों के नाम। तो कृपया अपनी नजरें अपने ठीक सामने बनाए रखिए, क्योंकि आपको कुछ ही देर में नजर आएंगे डस्टी और एनजे। There they are pulling up, and the synchro pair says, "Smoke, go!" I'm sure you all must have guessed by now what Dusty and NJ are up to quote Rumi. From heart only you can touch the sky. However, on this beautiful morning of 19th December, Suryakiran team is touching hearts from the sky. This heart goes out to all the proud parents who are glued to their television sets and sending their heartfelt blessings to their children.
He left, but I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, "Where'd you want?"
यह एक छोटी सी प्रस्तुति थी सूर्यकिरण टीम की ओर से। सूर्यकिरण टीम अपने आदर्श वाक्य सदैव सर्वोत्तम पर खरी उतरती है। भारतीय वायुसेना के आदर्श वाक्य नभः स्पृशम दीप्तम को सही मायनों में चरितार्थ करती है।
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all again to witness low-level aerobatic display by the world's most agile fighter aircraft, the Sukhoi 30 MKI. The aircraft is being flown by Group Captain Parminder Antil, Commanding Officer 30 Squadron, the Rhinos. Ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead. He will begin his profile by carrying out a left positioning turn and perform his first maneuver, the loop tumble yaw. In its first maneuver, the aircraft carries out a loop in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to say goodbye to the laws of aerodynamics as you watch the sudden quickening of the pitch rate. As his speed drops, he does a flat yaw turn and simply decides to go the other way. Breathtaking, isn't it? You all must be wondering how he achieved that. Well, it was made possible by the combination of the cannon, cross-section engine, fly-by-wire, and of course, the skill of the pilot. Ladies and gentlemen, as he flies past you, he will carry out multiple rolls to the right. There he goes, ladies and gentlemen, rolling over the carpet for the sky. The pilot will now carry out a teardrop left for a low-speed run from your left to right. Ladies and gentlemen, this supersonic aircraft will give you a demonstration of this low-speed ability by flying at 200 kilometers per hour. gentlemen, the tail slide. Hope you enjoyed the display. This has been your commentator, Flight Cadet Jasmine Sandhu. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, the band will now play the national anthem. You are requested to rise and sing along.
Ladies and gentlemen, till the Nishan Toli is passing in front of you, all are requested to remain standing and those in uniform to salute.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking up. This is not something you want to meet. Well, dropping in from a height of 8,000 feet, the members of the Akash Ganga skydiving team. Ladies and gentlemen, look at those colorful parachutes opening in the air, just like blossoming flowers in a garden. Coming in first with the Indian Air Force flag is Squadron Leader Chayan Mehta. Ladies and gentlemen, look up slightly towards your left as Squadron Leader Chayan Mehta brings in the Indian Air Force flag. The huge Indian Air Force flag being flown by him, depicting the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Prasham Deeptam, or as we say, touch the sky with glory. The Indian Air Force aims to overwhelm the adversities with application of aerospace power in the defense of our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, please give up a huge round of applause for these jumpers who are bringing down these colorful canopies towards the landing area for heart-rushing flare landing. Look how they glide towards the landing area through the beautiful skies of the Air Force Academy. Coming in down is the Indian Air Force flag by Squadron Leader Chayan Mehta. Ladies and gentlemen, look towards your right as the Indian Air Force flag comes down for closer action. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Indian Air Force flag as it reaches out for landing, celebrating the birth of newly commissioned officers into the Indian Air Force. Coordinator Chayan Mehta for you, ladies and gentlemen. Right up towards 11 o'clock is the Akash Ganga team flag, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking up for the Akash Ganga team flag. Ladies and gentlemen, the other team members flying these mighty big military parachutes are now coming in for a landing. Please give a huge round of applause to these Daredevil Air Warriors. I would request all our guests to keep cheering for these Daredevils as they skillfully perform their displays. Let the sound of your applauses reach the Air Warriors coming in down from the skies, just as their name suggests, the Akash Ganga team. The zeal and dedication of the Akash Ganga team, coupled with innovation and daredevilry, has made skydiving in India a breathtaking sport. The team members have managed to get their boots on ground on every possible terrain of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, straight ahead is the Akash Ganga skydiving team flag. The Akash Ganga team flag is being flown by Sergeant Dagor, who has 700 plus jumps to his credit. The team flag, as you see, depicts the members of the team flying the huge tricolor flag with the Akash Ganga name sublimed into it. Please give them a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, coming in for landing, Sergeant Dagor with the Akash Ganga team flag. Straight up is their unique trio called the Indian Air Force flag. Coming in next is the three canopy stack formation known as the trio. A very complicated maneuver being carried out by the most experienced of all. Ladies and gentlemen, since their inception, the Akash Ganga team has been mobbed, loved and cheered for, and why not? For these are the Air Warriors who have stolen the thunder and made the skies colorful and fanned hundreds of desires to join the Indian Air Force. The team projects a vibrant and daring image of the Indian Air Force. Ladies and gentlemen, look up as they de-link very close to the ground and reach out for perfect flare landing. Akashganga team is India's premier military parachute display team based at Paratroopers Training School, Agra. The team displays at venues all over India and abroad throughout the year. Our team boasts of finest air warriors of the Indian Air Force, embodiments of professionalism, discipline and ethos of one of the largest air force of the world. Performing the displays, the team aims to inspire the youth of our country to be a part of the Indian Air Force. At the same time, flying these beautiful parachutes skillfully, the team also showcases the capability of a human in flight. The Akashganga team is capable of jumping from a variety of aircraft, depicting on the aircraft availability and the nature of display. The team has jumped from almost all platforms available in the inventory of the Indian Air Force, namely AN-32, Avro, Dornier, IL-76, Mi-17 helicopters, C-130 and even C-17. For today's demonstration, the aircraft used was AN-32 of Paratroopers Training School. The aircraft that undertook this spectacular display was commanded by Squadron Leader Arjun as captain, co-pilot Flight Lieutenant Sharan Kuriakose and Trayan Agarwal as navigator. As we wait for these daredevils to come to the dais, allow me to give you a background on the team members. The members of the team are qualified parachute jump instructors of Paratroopers Training School, Air Force Station, Agra. The unit is responsible for training and supporting all Indian airborne forces, as well as providing a distinctive demonstration.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on the aircraft as he now carries out a roll in front of the dais as a salute. And that was the basic trainer aircraft of the Indian Air Force Academy, the Pilatus PC-7 Mark II. This is your commentator, Flight Cadet Simran Kaur Gill. Jai Hind.
जय हिंद, सुप्रभात देवियों एवं सज्जनों। मैं स्क्वाड्रन लीडर अर्पिता मुखर्जी सारक टीम की उद्घोषिका आप सभी का एक बार पुनः स्वागत करती हूँ। हम सौभाग्यशाली व गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं कि हमारे साथ हमारे माननीय मुख्य अतिथि व अन्य गणमान्य अतिथि मौजूद हैं। आज का दिन 206 पीसी के लिए व उनके परिवारजनों के लिए एक यादगार दिन है, जब सालों से संजोया हुआ वह सपना जो देश के व भारतीय वायुसेना के जाबाज सिपाही बनने का था, वो आज पूर्ण हुआ। एक नवोदित अधिकारी के रूप में पूर्ण रूप से अपनी नई चुनौतियों और जिम्मेदारियों का निर्वाह करने के लिए 206 पीसी पूर्णतया से वचनबद्ध व तैयार है। आज इस दिवस को और अधिक यादगार बनाने व इनका भव्य स्वागत एक अधिकारी के रूप में करने के लिए हम कुछ खास प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। Jai Hind and a very wonderful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Another successful year has been marked by this prestigious academy. This year is indeed special as it's proven once again that no adversity is big enough to even pause the josh of the guardians of our country's cause. This very place, which molds the youth into a formidable force in themselves, is the testimony that Air Force Academy has been and will be the backbone of the Indian Defence Forces. Today is a proud moment for families of these newly commissioned officers, and though they are not present here, but their wishes can be felt in the air. So what's better than taking the celebration to the skies? It's a bright day and blue backdrop perfect for turning the sky into the palette of colors of display flying, especially customized to mark the passing out parade of 206 PC. It is our way to salute the indomitable spirit of the air warriors that beat the adversities into submission. Year 2020 marks as the 17th year of display flying by this first ALH unit, which was named after our national bird, peacock, which is called sarang in Sanskrit. And now, as I was talking about the display flying, there is something very special for you. In display flying, it's all about teamwork and precision, and as our motto goes, but for the rotors, we have been closer. So here we are to dazzle the arena. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. The team is maintaining a wine glass formation while raising a toast on this momentous occasion of passing out parade of 206 PC. Sarang 1 is leading the formation with Sarang 4 right behind him, with Sarang 2 and Sarang 3 formatting to his left and right. Leading the formation is the team leader, Wing Commander Girish Komar, a qualified flying instructor and an instrument rating instructor and examiner. He has been one of the pioneers seeing through the fledgling Sarang team to today's one of its kind in the world. The co-pilot of Sarang 1 is the youngest display pilot of the team, Flight Lieutenant Dhanveer Singh. And as you can see, turning right, there is a change from inverted wine glass to India formation, making an English letter I in the sky. This I stands for you, me, our motherland, and for these indigenously developed helicopters. Here it is, Sarangs coming in for India formation. भारत माता की जय का आह्वान करते हुए सारंग अब इंडिया फॉर्मेशन आपके सामने से गुजरते हुए Captain of Sarang 2 is Wing Commander Sridhar, a qualified flying instructor and an IRIE. The co-pilot of Sarang 2 is squadron leader Manoj Mathur. He is experienced on Chetak and also on ALH Mark 3. The pilot in command of Sarang 3 is squadron leader Ravish Kumar. He is a QFI and a glacier cleared captain. His co-pilot today is squadron leader Adesh Thakur. With an immense experience of flying in East, now squadron leader Karthik is in team as captain of Sarang 4, and his co-pilot is wing commander Niket Tiwari, who is a QFI on fixed and rotary wing aircraft. देवियों एवं सज्जनों, अब आपकी बाईं ओर से सारंग अपनी संरचना में एक नायाब आकृति लेते हुए दिखाई देगा। इस आकृति को हम डायमंड फॉर्मेशन कहते हैं। कुछ ही क्षणों में लीडर की कमान के साथ आप संरचना में बदलाव देख पाएंगे। और इसी के साथ बदलाव आपके ठीक सामने ये हीरा है खास तौर पर इस टर्म के चैंपियन स्क्वाड्रन चिटनेस स्क्वाड्रन के लिए। Oh, that's definitely a surprise for us. All of a sudden, number 4 has pulled up for the stall turn. I'm sure the captain of number 4 has decided to follow the social distancing norms this time. And as Cats and Nike are going for a short break, may I request you to wave at them and wish them a very good luck. Here they make their short exit. As we look slightly to the right, Sarang 1, 2 and 3. Positions for the team's signature maneuver now. The Dolphins Leap. This maneuver requires a very high degree of skill achieved by strict mind and body coordination. All 3 helicopters flying abreast will pull up in the vertical plane and carry out a synchronized toe turn to the left. Get ready, here comes Sarang. Like a dolphin in the ocean, Sarangs and dolphins leap. And that's number 4 accelerating to join up with his formation. The team performs under the ever-watchful eyes of the team's safety officer. Today's safety officer is squadron leader Jagan. Assisting him, our safety officer 2 Sergeant S.K. Sharma, along with the videographers. Ladies and gentlemen, ALH fleet in the IAF has steadily grown from the conventional ALH Mark 1 to Mark 4. The ALH Mark 4 is the weapon system integrated version with its air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry. Along with the modern avionics, is one amongst the lethal arm platforms with the IAF today. The flexibility of this aircraft has been time-tested from varied operations to SWAV displays. बेबाक और बेफिक्र उड़ाने भर पाते हैं क्योंकि इसके पीछे निरंतर व अथक कार्य करते हुए तकनीशियनों का दल है और इस दल का नेतृत्व बड़ी ही कुशलता से करते आ रहे हैं विंग कमांडर हिमांशु पुरोहित और इस मुश्किल कार्य में उनका लगातार साथ देते हैं विंग कमांडर नरेंद्र सिंह, स्क्वाड्रन लीडर सतीश और स्क्वाड्रन लीडर सेल्विन. These highly skilled pilots leave no opportunity unturned to show off the capabilities of these indigenously developed helicopters which they fly. The other pilots of the team are Wing Commander S.K. Mishra, who's the flight commander, Wing Commander Sneha Kulkarni, Squadron Leader Gopi, Veer, JP, Mukesh, Mahesh, Shekhar and Flight Lieutenant Akshay. And now get ready to feel the heat go up, coming in for level cross. That was a perfect cross indeed. वो कहते हैं ना कि परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की, कि परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की, वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की. इसी जुनून और जज्बे के साथ एक बार फिर आ रहे हैं सारंग 3 और सारंग 4 हाई स्पीड क्रॉस के लिए आपकी दायरी और खास हमारे अतिथि गणों के लिए अपना ये मनूवर दोहराते हुए एक बार फिर आप देख सकते हैं सारंग 3 और सारंग 4 को. Integrity in diversity is India's distinction. That trickles down to our team as well. coming from diverse cultural backgrounds, speaking different languages. We all work together towards a common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. On this note, presenting to you a beautiful, pulsating Sarang Heart. के अंतिम पड़ाव पर आ चुके हैं, लेकिन हम ये आपको यकीन के साथ कह सकते हैं कि ये मनूवर आपके जहन में अपनी एक खास छाप छोड़ जाएगा। वंदे मातरम की जोशीली धुन पर टीम सारंग स्प्लिट को अंजाम देगी और इसी क्षण लीडर एक हवाई सलामी देश व भारतीय वायुसेना को प्रदान करेगी। की आवाज के साथ ही सलामी और इसी के साथ सारंग टीम नभः स्पर्शम दीप्तम का आह्वान करती हुई
After that scintillating display by the Sarang helicopter display team, it is time now for the Suryakiran aerobatic team of the Indian Air Force. I'm Squadron Leader Anjali Rai, the Suryakiran team commentator, and it is my privilege to guide you through the display profile. In addition, I shall also try and relay the commands given by the team leader so as to give you all a feel of how close formation aerobatic display is conducted. Tied with an invisible string, the team will be presenting synchronous aerobatic maneuvers. Coupled with music, it appears to be a ballet in the air. Any aerobatic display is dependent upon the weather condition, and if the weather gods are smiling upon us, the team will present the vertical profile. However, in case of weather restriction, the team will restrict itself to the horizontal profile. नव किरण का रथ सजा, कली कुसुम से पथ सजा, बादलों के अनुचरों, स्वर्ण की पोशाक धारी, आ रही रवि की सवारी, आ रही रवि की सवारी। हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी की इन ही पंक्तियों की तरह आपसे कुछ ही क्षणों में आपके सामने होगी भारतीय वायुसेना की सूर्यकिरण एरोबैटिक टीम। Ladies and gentlemen, presenting ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Suryakiran aerobatic team. The team made an entry in shockwave formation and keep watching as they are turning at a speed of 700 km per hour. Soon the team leader will order a change in the formation. Leading the formation is Surya Kiran 1, Group Captain Anup Singh, Vayu Sena Medal. Flying right behind him is number 4, Wing Commander Mayank Nautiyal. The safety observer for today's display is Wing Commander Nikhil Bhatt. दर्शकों, जब तक मैं आपका परिचय टीम के सदस्यों से करवा रही थी, बाईं तथा दाहिनी ओर के सदस्य अब टीम लीडर के साथ स्थान में बदलाव लाते हुए कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर उड़ान भर रहे हैं। आपकी बाईं ओर से सूर्य किरण टीम।
कंधों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कंधों से बदल मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
आइए अब मैं आपका परिचय टीम के दाहिनी ओर उड़ान भर रहे सदस्यों से करवाती हूँ। टीम लीडर के ठीक दाहिनी ओर हैं सूर्य किरण 2, विंग कमांडर उदित मेहता। उनके ठीक पीछे उड़ान भर रहे हैं नंबर 6, स्क्वाड्रन लीडर नवजोत सिंह। बाईं ओर के सदस्यों में शामिल हैं सूर्य किरण 3, विंग कमांडर अतुल यादव तथा उनके पीछे उड़ान भर रहे हैं नंबर 5, Wing Commander Ajay Dasrathi. And ladies and gentlemen, as I was introducing the team members to you all, once again the team has brought a change in its formation. And you can see them moving towards you all from your left in wedge formation. धनुष उठा प्रहार कर, तू सबसे पहले वार कर, अग्नि सी धधक धधक, हिरण सी सजग सजग, रुके न तू थके न तू, थमे न तू, और इन्हीं पंक्तियों की तरह बिना रुके बिना थके बिना झुके बिना थमे आपकी बाईं ओर से सूर्य किरण टीम। Other members of the team include Squadron Leader Abhijit Singh, Squadron Leader Tejeshwar Singh, Squadron Leader Manik Bhalla, Squadron Leader Aman Salaria, Squadron Leader Rupam Bodloy, and Squadron Leader Deepankar Garg. And ladies and gentlemen, please keep your gaze riveted towards the formation, as you can see them once again bringing a change in the formation. And with this, the team has formed the shape of a goblet. With this goblet, we raise a toast to the newly commissioned officers of 206 Corps. And now, bringing the thrill closer to you all, the next change will be taking place right in front of you. So keep your gaze fixed on the formation. To strive for perfection, a team of over 100 technicians led by Wing Commander Nagendra and assisted by Squadron Leader Shyam Mohan, Flight Lieutenant Sudarshan, Master Warrant Officer Kuldeep Kumar, and Master Warrant Officer Shabir Ali support the flying effort. It is to their credit that all the gleaming hawks that you are seeing today are always on display. दर्शकों, अब समय है आपकी नजरें आपके ठीक सामने यानी 12 o'clock की दिशा की ओर लेकर जाने का। अब से कुछ ही क्षणों में टीम आपके ठीक सामने होगी विक्सन ब्रेक के लिए, और आपने जिन टीम के सदस्यों को एक अदृश्य डोरी से टीम लीडर के साथ बंधे हुए देखा है, वे उनके आदेश का अनुसरण करते हुए उनसे अलग होकर पूरे आसमान में सूर्य के किरणों की तरह बिखर जाएंगे। तो कृपया अपनी नजरें अपने ठीक सामने बनाए रखिए। Ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead. The team is now approaching for Vixen Break.